Hello learners and welcome back to my channel LIY English Learn It Yourself. So in this video we are going to talk about 5 most confusing English words, and they are so confusing that we often misuse them because we don't know their proper meaning and usage. इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे 5 ऐसे इंग्लिश शब्द की जो हम बहुत बार कंफ्यूज होते हैं यूज करते समय अपने सेंटेंसेस में, और कई बार हम उसको रॉन्गली यूज करते हैं. एंड दीज आर द वर्ड्स दैट वी यूज ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. ये ऐसे 5 शब्द मैंने सेलेक्ट किए हैं इस वीडियो के लिए जो बहुत डेली बेसिस पे बहुत कॉमनली हम यूज करते हैं. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपरेटिव दैट वी नो देयर प्रॉपर मीनिंग एंड देयर प्रॉपर यूसेज. बहुत ज़रूरी है इन शब्दों का हमको प्रॉपर सही मीनिंग पता होना और उसका सही यूज पता होना. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. So the first pair of most confusing English words, movement or moment. Take a look at this sentence. The birth of my child was the most memorable movement or moment of my life. Which is the correct answer? Let's check out. Congratulations to those who chose moment, because the right answer is moment. The birth of my child was the most memorable moment of my life. Now let us try to understand both the words. Movement means an act of moving, action. It means motion. For example, long after that terrible accident, there was no movement in his legs. Whereas movement means a short period of time. Example, India lifting the World Cup in 2011 was a historic moment for Indian cricket. So these are the actual meaning and usage of these words, movement and moment. I hope you all understood it. Number 2, advice or advise. I decided to follow your advice or advise and go on a vacation. Let's check out. The right answer is advice. I decided to follow your advice and go on a vacation. Now let us understand the meaning and differences of these words, advice and advise. As you can easily see that there is the difference of only one alphabet, that is S and C in both the words. Advise is actually a verb. It means to offer a suggestion, salah dena, whereas advice means a piece of advice, recommendation, guidance. सलाह जिसको हम बोलते हैं सलाह, उसने मुझे अच्छी सलाह दी. So that salah is actually an advice. An advice meaning to give the offer or suggestion. For example, I will advise you to develop the habit of sleeping early. And here advice can be used as always seek a doctor for the right medical advice. At number 3 are the words that are most commonly used yet most of the time misused, used incorrectly. Are you using it correctly? Let's check out. I want to lose weight or lose weight. What do you use? Let's see. Now this time I would congratulate all those people who had been using this word incorrectly. People who had been using lose, L-O-O-S-E, lose weight. Congratulations, because you learned the correct word. The right word is I want to lose weight. Well, didn't I tell you that these are the most confusing and most misused words? Take a look at these words in detail so that we understand their proper meaning. Loose, it means not tight. Example, this is a loose t-shirt. Loose meaning not able to find something. हिंदी में जिसको हम बोलते हैं कुछ चीज़ खो जाना. Example, if you don't spend your money wisely, you will lose all of it. Number 4, it's or its. The pronunciation of both these words are similar, but their meanings are not, so we have to be careful. What would you put in that blank? Dash my birthday today? Let's see. Right answer is it's with apostrophe. It's my birthday today. Now let's clear out our confusion about these words and let's learn more about the differences in their meanings and usage. It's with apostrophe and it's without apostrophe. It's with apostrophe is actually made up with 2 words. It is. It's raining heavily since yesterday. So It is equal to its in a short form, whereas its is just a one word. Its is a one word and it is a possessive form of the pronoun. It means belonging to. Example, the bird is in its cage. So now fifth and the last pair of words, most confusing ones, there or there. Again, these are the words with almost similar pronunciation, but their meanings and usage are not. Take a look at the sentence. Dash is no water in the glass. There or there. The right answer is there. 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 There is no water in the glass. Now let us understand both these words in detail. There, Their, it means belonging to. Example, this is their house. ये उन लोगों का घर है. Whereas there means a place or a position. It can be in, at or to. For example, there is a beautiful lake behind their house. उनके घर के पीछे एक बहुत खूबसूरत झील है. So there signifies place and there signifies a pronoun belonging to someone. I hope I have cleared all the doubts about these confusing words. Congratulations learners. Today we learnt about the meaning, proper usage and differences between these most confusing English words. If any of you had been using these words incorrectly, let me know in the comment section and I hope that you don't make the same mistakes again. Till then, keep learning. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Till then, keep learning. Thank you very much.